Wow. I think being a mother is no easy task. But for me, it is the most fulfilling. You see, when you're a mom, you're also the planner, you're also the chef, you're also the alarm clock, you're also the teacher, you're also the counselor. You know, as a mother, we play many roles. We play many roles as a mother. Yes, kumbaga mahirap man siya, pero I think wala nang sasarap pa dun sa feeling na nakikita mo na number one, lumalaki ng tama yung anak mo. Pangalawa is yung simpleng sabihan ka ng, "Mommy, I love you." Parang, ano yun eh, parang yun na lang yung gusto mong marinig. Diba? Parang magic word yun na kahit sobrang pagod ka na sa dami ng responsibilidad na ginagawa mo sa life mo. Pero pag sinabi na ng I love you, mommy, parang napapawi talaga lahat. And it's not easy to become a mom. Yes, it is the most fulfilling for me. And, you know, it really takes a strong woman to become a mother. Diba? You have to have a backbone made of steel and a heart made of gold. Thank you.